Hi everyone, my name is Edwin Johnson. I'm the owner of Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, BC, Canada, and I'm also a member of the KMS Global Art team. Today I want to share with you a really cool technique. Actually lets you work with wet hair, and we're going to do some sewing and we're going to use some chopsticks. So the idea is we're going to take this hair in its wet form and we're going to put it into a sort of a French twist. And then I've also taken some elastic cord and I've put it on a plastic like crochet needle. And then we've also just tied a loop on the ends, and let's comb it back. So this is on wet hair. It's also a great technique if you don't have time to blow dry, or maybe you can't blow dry, that gives your client a style leaving the salon. We're gonna take our chopsticks, we're gonna come from underneath, and I've got all the hair in the chopsticks. We can slide that out, keep in tension, and then we're going to twist this into our roll. And then I'm going to hold it secure, and I'm going to slide the chopsticks out. I'm going to take my thread, I'm going to come right in at the bottom, and then where my loop is, here, I'm just going to come through. I'm just going to continue that right up the head, and I'm just going to keep going around if we keep it kind of loose and messy. Just cut that off. And it's really that simple. And that's my look, how to sew up a French roll. I hope you like that. I hope you can use that. Have yourselves a great day. Thank you.